What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be checking out this new Animal Company update, which is the mining update, which I'm not really sure what that is, but yeah. So there's this. I have no clue what that is, but okay. We'll check it out later. Ooh, a bundle. Tiger. Going into the new year. Like, nothing. Ooh, it's a pretty Sigma bundle. I'm sorry. Okay. And there, a rat? A mole rat? Frog, I'm sorry. That's sick. Hey! Oh, that's a fire soundtrack. So I'm getting really distracted, aren't I? Sorry. Okay, so yeah, let's check out. Ooh, there's I'm not gonna say that. I don't want to get copyrighted. Our friend might show up later in the video. Oh, what the flip! Wait, hold on. No, but this is not a PowerPoint slide. Get out! The question is, where do I mine, though? Oh, hip attachments. Oh, this update's sick. Wait, should I just buy? Dang it! That was a really big waste of money. Although I have like $16,000. No. Oh god. Okay, so let's check out this update. Oh my god, this looks like the Haunted Mansion entrance. What the frick? What the? Is this like the mining thing? Do we get free pickaxes? No way. Shut up. Oh god. That got menacing real quick. Okay. Jeez. So let's call one of my friends, because I'm a big fat poopy scaredy cat, if he wants to play. So why? Oh my, that's obvious. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, we are waiting on one of my friends to join. Another one of my friends might join later. But yeah. Okay, here. So yeah, this is Porter.
Okay, hi.
Okay.
Hi, Beltran.
Yeah. So I haven't checked out this update yet.
You haven't?
No.
You're gonna need this.
Oh, okay. I barely checked out any of the update.
I've checked out most of it.
Because it was only for my intro of the video.
I would say I would not check this out alone.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I did the first time, and I
want?
almost pooped. So.
Terrible idea. Terrible idea.
Oh my god. That is a juice.
Hey, bro, look over here. Look over here.
No, I swear to God, if you give my viewers, I swear to God.
I love blinding people. That's the really
What?
thing. I don't know. I just like blinding people.
Okay.
But we're actually gonna need this light.
I love.
I forgot.
I swear to
I'm
God,
sorry.
you just hit me.
I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
How do I be? I'm not gonna make that joke.
I am though. So yeah, mining like a miner from
Get
Minecraft.
out. No, my balls.
So you hate Pete because he is very annoying.
Bonk. Oh, a big ball.
What do you mean by big balls?
Why am I saying this
We're gonna
in the video?
We're gonna get like demonetized. Is that the word?
Yeah. Oh God.
What?
I just heard like a.
Oh, where's the spider? I see him. It's Spider.
Ugh.
Oh yeah.
I need
by
to
the
go
way,
buy a flashlight. Hold on.
FYI, he is not a one-shot kill.
Okay.
Neither are you. But
Okay. I'm just buying a flashlight. Okay. So I own 2 out of the 3 flashlights. I think there's 3 flashlights. Here are the 2 flashlights I own. I have these. Oh, wrong thing. And then it also defies the laws of gravity. So we're just gonna put my little mining box in there and get out my flashlight.
can I also record?
Nah. I'm already recording. Okay, let's go.
But I also have a YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's
me
be editor. Cut that out.
Guys, today in this video, I'm gonna get demonetized.
No. I'm
We're
cutting
checking
all
out the
that
new
out.
mining update because it has demonetized. Oh my god, what is this big clumpy bumpy dumpy sumpy? I kind of already started because I was bored and I'm also bored and what's homework? What should we do first?
Crap was that?
What's homework again?
For real though.
Should we go that way? No. Should we go this way?
I'm gonna
Yes.
poop.
Oh yeah, I've already pooped myself twice. Twice. Yeah. you heard
Oh
me.
God.
Yeah. Wait,
Are
my
you
friend's
serious?
calling me? What the heck? Why is
I
everybody calling me?
Assume we're not supposed to fall down there.
I mean, actually, we are. There's better loot down there.
Oh, and that means it's more deadly to actually. Hold on.
Well, it kind of the same amount of deadly.
Hold on. Wait.
I saw a mimic. Don't go that way. He's
Okay.
right camping. He's camping.
Okay, buddy.
Oh,
Hey, you just hit me.
Here's iron.
Okay, let me mine it. I barely have anything.
There's different ores and sewers.
Okay.
I would call them better. Because one of them drops items.
Wait, hold on. Can you shine right here so I can get up my flashlight?
Where?
Okay.
Oh, here.
Is that my flashlight? Oh God.
Yeah, that is.
Okay.
Come on, my boober. Where should we jump?
No.
Is that copper? Or is it? No! That's gold!
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, hey.
Don't worry, there's no fall damage still.
Okay.
Just grab onto this.
Oh. Okay.
Oh my god.
Wait, hold on. Where are you?
Onward!
Oh.
You can also get research points from this.
Let's go back down there because I just saw some. No, go back down.
Alright, come get this gold with me.
Oh shoot.
Yes.
No.
These are the rarest items.
Okay, well, let me mine it.
Yeah, be a miner with me.
Get out.
I'm really gonna get.
I suck at this. I cannot jump.
You cannot jump.
No. I swear to God, if you mine all that gold. Bruh.
I'm mining it all because I'm just a miner.
No. Oh, research point.
No, it's falling.
But how much?
All my gold is falling.
Can you help me get up here?
Why don't you stay down there and collect all the gold that What's the next thing I'm gonna call?
Okay, yeah, guys. I will cut to when I'm. Okay.
I'm at the same place we were at.
I'm at spawn, so.
Die.
No. Okay. But, so we
Then
actually.
what happened?
I kind of killed myself. Okay, so let's.
Where's the grappler? Okay, So just come, I'm waiting at the Mimic Cave.
Well, I'm trying to sell my items. I'm trying to sell my items. Oh god. Okay. And wait, okay, I was gonna say double check if you need anything, but too late. Oh my god, damn, that's a lot of money. Okay, let's go see if we can get anything in the not horizon. What the? Ooh, bone pickaxe, Queasier. Oh, sick new update. Oh, revolver ammo. That's gonna be good. Tactical left hit. Okay. We're into the tech tree we go. Guys, leave me a comment on what item. Ooh, fire gun. Sorry, what item I should buy in Animal Company next. Just leave a comment. What is that file? Oh, okay. Because we have one research point. No. Actually, we might as well. Okay. I'm gonna scavenge for what items we should buy. Okay guys, we are back. This controller kind of died. And we also got stranded on a rock. So yeah. And that will be the end of the video. So I will see you guys in the next video. And quick thing guys, I might be posting more Animal Company videos just because I've got some of my friends into it and I got myself back into it. So yeah, I'll definitely be posting more Animal Company videos and I will see you guys in the next video. I can't really wave, but bye. Yeah, bye.